Today we're going to go over the passive infrared sensor. The passive infrared sensor detects body movement. That body movement is like the alarm in your home or in your office, whereby when you walk around, the little sensor here picks up your body movement. So as you're moving around, it will turn the light on for you. The passive infrared sensor works with all of our single coloured lights, such as neon flex, strip lights and down lights. It's really good for walk-in pantries, as well as wardrobes, or mounting under kickboards to light up as you're walking around the kitchen. The light will stay on for about 30 seconds, and whilst you are moving, it stays on. What I'm going to show you next is how to mount it via the surface mount or the recessed mount. So we'll have a look at that. Okay, for wiring it up, you will need your power supply, which I've got sitting here. With our 60 watt power supply, it does come with a 2 metre extension lead. That's where the power needs to come in. Now the sensor in question, we'll just power this one up here. Once you've poked it through, the first connection you've got to make is here. That is quite simply, you'll see the terminals just there, terminals there. You match the terminals up and you push it together to make that connection. Then here at the end of it, we've got two cables. Both cables have been clearly marked. One says 2 lights, one says 2 power supply. So quite simply, the one that says 2 power supply, we're going to plug into our 60 watt power supply. And like all of our other connections, it's just a case of matching it up. It only goes one way, and remembering, if you want to disconnect it, you push in there and pull it apart. And in this section here, this one says 2 lights. And as far as the lights go, I've just got a little bit of LED strip light here. I'm just going to plug that into it, and again, line that up, push that in, and my lights are on. So that's detecting the movement from the sensor, which is just here. I'll just turn that around. So that sensor is detecting movement. So as I move back, just pop that down. As I move back and stop moving, that will turn off after about 30 seconds. You can see that the light is off because there's been no movement. But as we bring my hand across there, you'll see that the light turns on automatically because of the movement. That's your Krome passive infrared sensor from Nova.